Okay, welcome to our NGC Motovlog. Now we are here in going to Sea of Clouds. Actually guys, ang Sea of Clouds is under the La Esperanza Daguhoy, Bohol, but it was known address of Danau, Bohol. So nailado siya sa Danau, Bohol, pero akong nasayran guys na this is belongs to Daguhoy or La Esperanza Daguhoy. Why it is called Sea of Clouds? Anong gitawag ba ni siya nga Sea of Clouds? So ang paingon dito guys, no, gisiminto na pero napagyoy portion paingon dito sa Sea of Clouds. Going back, no, naana sila water system diha guys. Makita na to, ligagan na ni water. So pwede na kita magbuhat ng balay na pita, no. So mo na ni ang bukid gitawag og gibutangan sa kanang napita, no. Igabot na to gibutangan sa where the you can see the Sea of Clouds. Ang history guys nga nganong gitawag siya Sea of Clouds because when you see to the when you kanang abot nimo, when you reach to the upper portion on is bungtod, so upper portion of the mountain, then it's overlooking, you can see the Sea of Clouds. So every morning, early in the morning, makakita ka og Sea of Clouds niya kani kay mga 12:30 naman ni guys. So di na ginato makita ang Sea of Clouds. Nanoy nag-dating po dire ganang mga manoroy, nag-uyab siguro ni ana ba. So honey, it's really cool place, no. There are properties for sale nearby po guys, no, ranging from 300 to 500 pesos per square meter. Dili lang titulado, not titled yet, no. So mao ni guys, pag abot na ko nagay duha ka buok, no, babae lalaki, nanori gid ni sila, manag-uyab tingali ni bata noon man. So atong gitan-aw ang Sea of Clouds. So sino kita na to, itong duha ka buok, babae lalaki.